People want to know your thoughts. So we're going to ask these questions and we're going to give them some answers.
Okay.
Starting off with Rob Norman. 3D homes take 3 months, but 3D printing has a very slow adoption. Do you think 3D home building can help the low supply of homes?
Oh, absolutely. And there's also, I think, again, resource depletion requires diversification to solve. So we have LeBron James of home building, the old school way of building homes, getting a bunch of lumber, construction workers, hammer, build it up, concrete, all that stuff. Boom, that's the home. But we've seen that, LeBron's knees are getting weak. We can't lift that much anymore. We can't create that many homes anymore. There are labor constraints. There are supply constraints. So we need to develop new methods to help ease the supply shortage and boost home building productivity levels. We are going to do that via 3D printing. These pre-built home companies, I don't know if you guys have seen the like box homes, kind of. I think you're the one that pointed them out to me a couple weeks ago, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That is a solution that'll help as well. It's going to be a variety of technologies that come to the forefront to help improve the supply situation in housing. I think 3D printing, again, what do I like to invest in when we talk about the pie? What's going to take the biggest share of the pie, grow the fastest, grow the most? I think 3D printing is that, because we're already seeing 3D printed homes happen. Rob Norman, you said yourself, 3 months to build. They're very fast. They're very cheap. They're very effective. And the homes they build are pretty cool looking. I kind of like the little layer by layer design. I think it's very modern and sleek. So I think that 3D printing is going to be that biggest share gainer. I see it having a huge impact in the housing market. The company there that is the most promising is Icon, privately held, waiting for it to IPO. When it does, going to be worth looking at that prospectus to see, is that an opportunity we want to get in? But Icon is definitely the leader of the 3D printed home kind of renaissance.
Thanks for watching HGI Clips. For the full episode, head on over to our sister channel at Hypergrowth Investing by clicking the link in the description, or listen to the podcast on any of your favorite streaming platforms. We make new episodes every Wednesday, so make sure to check it out and subscribe to never miss any of Luke's Hypergrowth insights.